Hey guys, this is Jonah from Simple Cookery. Today we're going to be making a super easy Italian salad recipe, Caprese salad. Let's slide into it. Okay, so the first step is to thinly slice your tomatoes. Two things to keep in mind with the tomatoes is, number one, you want to use fresh, good quality tomatoes with a firm texture. That's really going to allow you to get those nice crisp cuts through the tomatoes and not have all the juices spilling out everywhere. Secondly, you want to use a sharp knife, and that applies to the tomatoes and the buffalo mozzarella later on. That's going to, again, allow you to get the crisp cuts that you're looking for in order to create this presentation we're going for with the Caprese salad. Again, with the buffalo mozzarella, you want to cut them into thin slices just like the tomatoes. However, you might not be able to get them as thinly as the tomatoes because buffalo mozzarella has quite a soft texture. You still want to go for a relatively thin thickness, but not too thin so that it breaks apart. Now that's all your prep done, so now we're ready to move on to plating up the Caprese salad. You place your tomatoes on the plate and you layer it on with the buffalo mozzarella, and then you interchange again with the tomatoes and the buffalo mozzarella. And you keep doing this until you've pretty much covered the entire plate and you get this really awesome, good looking presentation going on. And finally, in terms of dressing, what I love about this salad is how simple it is. So all you need is a healthy drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. After the extra virgin olive oil, we drizzle some balsamic vinegar, not too much so that it overpowers the salad with the vinegar taste, but just enough to balance out that olive oil and the seasoning we're going to add in later. So with the seasoning, we go in with a generous pinch of salt. The salt really helps bring out the flavors of the tomato, and some cracked pepper. Finally, just garnish with some basil leaves. And there we have it, guys, a Caprese salad.
That's right, guys, Simple Cookery. We've got our official apron. I mean, I don't have one.
No, he has one, but he lost it.
Lost it.
Yeah. And I first actually learned about this recipe when I was in Italy back in 2018. We went to see the World Cup, and then afterwards, you know how I traveled around Europe?
Yeah, he ditched me and just went to Italy with his other friends.
Yeah, and that's really good. The key to this recipe is making sure you get really good quality fresh tomatoes, because if you don't, then the tomatoes become very soggy and it's not nice to eat. No. And the seasoning, salt and pepper, just like highlight, just like essentially.
Just gives it like a kick, you know.
Yeah.
This is like a cop-out dish because this is so easy to make and you can easily make it in a few minutes. So if you have a dinner date and you haven't made anything yet, make this and all will be good.
If you like this episode and you want to see the next one, subscribe down below, hit that notification bell button to get notified of our weekly videos. On Simple Cookery, we teach simple recipes and cooking techniques to help you get more confident in the kitchen. Anyways, guys, see you later. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye-bye.